Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your password on Windows 10, so hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial. And without further ado, let's jump into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in settings. Best match should come back with settings right above trusted Microsoft Store app. You want to left click on that one time. And now that we're in the settings window, you want to go and locate accounts. So left click on the accounts tab, your accounts, email, sync, work, family. Might change a little bit when you guys are watching the video because Microsoft likes to change these options a little bit. But you basically just want to go underneath accounts and then left click on sign in options. And then underneath password, you might actually have to add a password if you can't actually change a password if you don't have one already put on. So let me just type one in. Okay, so now if we want to actually change our password, I'm going to select change here. I'm going to type in my current password, and now you're going to just type in your new password after you've typed your previous one. And then just type password in, left click on next, and then click finish. And that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.